Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. My name is Joseph. I am a teacher of English and I am the founder of Education Utopians. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, let me ask you some questions. Do you want to learn English? Are you an English learner? Do you want to learn how to speak English more naturally, automatically and fluently? If you want to get answers to these questions, then you are in the right place. Education Utopians is a platform that was created to help students and people who want to learn English, who want to develop great communication skills in English. All you need to do right now is you click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can be notified when a new video is uploaded.